More thunder and lightning's happening again. More lightning. Some very faint lightning there. I don't know if the camera can actually pick that up or not. There's a bit more lightning. That was a bright one there. Damn. That was ever bright. Lasted a long time. And there comes the thunder. That was incredibly loud. More lightning.
That must have hit something.
Maybe.
That was pretty loud. Did you
It
get
was.
the pitch?
Yeah, I got it recorded.
Was it fork lightning?
I don't know, I couldn't see it, I just saw the flashes.
That was loud. That must have
It
hit
was,
something.
probably.
It certainly sounded like it, didn't it?
Yeah.
You be careful.
I'll be careful out here.
Still raining?